Hi guys. Okay, so now that you know where everything is, I wanted to show you how to set up work and topics. So I use topics to help the kids find the work easier. To give you an example, here is my current Google Classroom for this year's grade threes in my class. So here are all my topics. I have general and check-in, social emotional learning, maths, literacy, homework and spelling, getting to know Google, and assembly. So for example, let's have a look at the literacy work. If we hop over to that, here's everything that they need in order to compete within that stuff. So I find that having topics much easier for the kids. So let's show you how to set one of those up. So if we click the nice big create button, we can click topic. So let's just make this topic maths. And then add it. Right, so you can add as many topics as you would like. Zulu, excuse the phone ringing in the background. Literacy. Okay, so let's just start with those. Then once I've got my topic set up, I can create work. So there's lots of different things that you can use to post work. I want to talk in this video about assignments. So if I want to create an assignment, the first thing you're going to want to do is give it a title. So let's just say today is Tuesday, 24 March. I like to date it so that the kids are able to see what day it was posted. However, this is not something that you have to do. This is just me. It's also a helpful tool I find to help the kids work out what is today's homework and what is tomorrow's or Wednesday's work, tomorrow's or Thursday's work. I tend to post all my stuff on a Monday so that kids can work through it at their pace. I've got children who need to work through as much as they can in terms of homework on certain days because they've got other things on other days. So I just find that that's quite a useful thing to do as well. So let's just say, there we go. Then I always give instructions. So hi, grade threes, please complete the work by doing X, Y, and Z. Then come back and submit it. All right. Then what you can do is either you can add a quiz, you can add a Google slide, you can add a Google Doc. There's lots of different things that you're able to add. So for example, let me add something from my Google Drive. Let's just say that today I'm adding here, social emotional learning at home, day 16. So when you add something, you can either allow the students to view the file, edit the file, or make a copy for each student. Previously, I've used Google Slides where each student needed to then answer questions on the slides. So that would be when you make a copy for each student. You can then assign a number of marks for it, or you can select ungraded. You can choose a due date. So let's make this due on Friday at midnight. And then you can select a topic. So put it under literacy. The rubric is a new feature that Google have added. I, again, don't really use it for my kids. But you are able to create a rubric that tells them what is required, and then obviously it would be for marks. So I don't really use the rubric at all. And then you can also check, and this is especially helpful for the older kids, is you can use originality reports. So that's kind of like getting them checking whether they've just copy and pasted off the internet. It makes sure that they're using stuff that they've done themselves. Right, so I'm going to assign this. And basically it's that simple. I will go through the different steps of the other ways of creating work. But I'm going to do that in another video, just so this one's not so long. All right. Hope this was helpful. Bye.